Welcome back to Drive Dynamics, where we explore the finest machines on wheels and dive into the essence of automotive artistry. Today, we're shifting gears to focus on a legend reborn. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is back in 2025, and it's ready to take on the modern world. This is no mere nostalgia trip. It's a reimagination of a timeless classic. For those who may not know, the original Karmann Ghia was first introduced in the 1950s as a marriage between German engineering and Italian design. It was sleek, elegant, and accessible, earning it a place in the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Fast forward to 2025, and Volkswagen has delivered a masterpiece that not only pays homage to the past, but also embraces the future. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 Karmann Ghia is its design. Volkswagen has done an incredible job of capturing the essence of the original, with its flowing lines and subtle curves, while giving it a distinctly modern edge. The low slalom stance, elongated hood, and teardrop silhouette scream retro elegance, but then you notice the futuristic LED lighting, flush door handles, and aerodynamic tweaks that make it unmistakably contemporary. The front grille, a nod to the classic design, has been reinterpreted to house advanced sensors and airflow dynamics. Step inside, and you'll see where the past meets the future in perfect harmony. The cabin is minimalist but luxurious, blending premium materials like leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood accents. A large touchscreen dominates the center console, offering seamless connectivity and intuitive controls, while a digital driver's display keeps the essentials in sharp focus. The seating position is low and sporty, with perfectly placed pedals and a steering wheel that feels like an extension of your hands. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and the sound system delivers crystal-clear audio for those long, winding drives. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia comes with a choice of powertrains. You can opt for a high-performance electric version that delivers instant torque and near-silent acceleration, or you can choose a hybrid setup that combines a small turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor. Both options prioritize efficiency without sacrificing the fun-to-drive nature the Karmann Ghia has always been known for. Volkswagen has even tuned the suspension and steering to ensure the car feels agile and responsive, whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising through the city. One of the standout features of the 2025 Karmann Ghia is its customizability. Volkswagen offers a range of vibrant colors inspired by the original model's palette, including rich reds, deep blues, and even some pastel shades. You can also choose from a variety of wheel designs, upholstery options, and trim packages to make your Karmann Ghia truly your own. On the road, this car is an absolute joy to drive. The electric version offers instant acceleration, propelling you from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds, while the hybrid variant provides a balanced, engaging experience with smooth transitions between power sources. The low center of gravity and precise handling make every corner a delight, and the regenerative braking system adds an extra layer of control. Despite its sporty performance, the ride remains comfortable, even over rough surfaces, thanks to advanced adaptive suspension. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Karmann Ghia comes equipped with Volkswagen's latest suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It's the perfect blend of classic style and modern peace of mind, ensuring you can enjoy the journey without worrying about the unexpected. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's a statement piece that tells the world you appreciate timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and the pure joy of driving. Whether you're a long-time fan of the original or someone discovering the magic of the Karmann Ghia for the first time, this car has something special to offer. Before we wrap up, let us know what you think of this stunning revival in the comments below. Is the 2025 Karmann Ghia a worthy successor to the original, or do you think Volkswagen could have done more? And if you had the chance to drive one, where would you take it? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Drive Dynamics for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and all things automotive. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep your engines running and your spirits high. See you on the road.